The program is wonderful. I love the program. I started out, I have lost 4 inches off my waist, and that right there is amazing to do that in 12 weeks.
I will tell you, I have never been a part of and I won't call it a program now, I will call it a lifestyle development. I have never been a part of anything as massive as this that involves so many people, all who are so organized, professional, skilled, and most importantly, motivating.
So I am a mixed fit instructor, and I brought to the program a bunch of dance fitness. So we combine dance with boot camp toning. The ladies were new to this type of program. They thoroughly enjoyed it throughout the 12-week program. They learned how to control their movement, and they grew to love everything about the dance fitness program.
This 12-week program has been phenomenal for these ladies. Again, we had fitness training to help improve their cardiovascular endurance and their strength level. We had life coaching, we had cooking classes, we had therapy classes, and it's all to help African American women who have hypertension or heart disease change their life. They've learned how to, on a daily basis, make better decisions to help them really take control of their health. Because we are here to help change the lives of African American women for years to come.